They are juicy.
You don't know me. I'm the Root Boy. You don't get to see me on camera much. Here's why. Ugly. Uglier than a mud fence. Ugly as homemade sin. But that's okay. Hey, I got to talk to you today about my boy Papa Texas. Papa Texas sent me an email. He says, I used some of your Root Boy Rub #1. That's this stuff right here. Root Boy Rub #1 on some ribeye steaks, and they were delicious. I said, Papa, you were surprised, huh? You didn't think it would be good? No, it's good stuff. But what I wanted to tell you is watch Papa's video and give him a thumbs up and leave a comment, and we'll give away some Root Boy Rub to a couple of you lucky people who watch Papa's video and give him a comment and leave a thumbs up. And I'll send Papa some Root Boy Rub that he can distribute to his fans or whatever all around the world. Mr. Papa Texas, it's Papa Texas.
Isn't that awesome of Sal? The Root Boy Cooks. He'll be in the description down below, and he'll be on the end of this video somewhere to click on his link. So let's go into what he was talking about. This is it right here. The Root Boy Cooks. I've been hanging on to this for a while. It says it has kosher salt, black pepper, garlic, onion, thyme. I need thyme. Rosemary and chives. Alright, so I'm gonna go get washed up. I've been washing my hands a lot more lately. Gotta go wash my hands up, get them all cleaned up. I'm gonna show you what we're doing today. Check those babies out. Ribeye. Alright, so we're going with the ribeye. Let's get it right, Papa. Beef choice ribeye steaks. Total is 3.37 pounds. Right there. So, what we're doing is Papa Texas style. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Yeah, Big W made me those. I forgot to say that. Alright, I'll get that out of the way. I did slow and sear Papa Texas style on the Weber Kettle. And the way that I did it, they were awesome. So I'm going to try to recreate the exact same cook, just a different day, and a different set of meat. This stuff is really good. Like I said, I've been hanging on to it for a while. Jibber jab, let's get it on. I'm going to take this and put it in a baggie. I am going to put a little Worcestershire sauce on it. I know some people don't do that stuff. I'm just going to do that, let it break down for a little bit. And I'll show you my slow and sear. And he sent me 3 bottles, okay? So those will be going out. I hadn't touched them yet, but I'll sanitize them before I send them out. Yeah. All right, folks, let's get this done, and I'll show you how Papa Texas does a slow and a sear to make awesome steaks. And some potatoes, too. All right, I'll be right back with you. So what we're going to do with these monster steaks, I'm going to put it right over the fire. I'm going to get my first sear on. I am not searing the top yet. That's part of this. I think that's good enough for me this time. We will do that on a few occasions. Look at that bad boy. Alright, get the sear on that one. Get the other side. Just enough. Alright, we're going to retain some juices that way. I really think this is the way I did it. And then we put this herb. Look at that. What's going to happen is it's going to embed into this thing. We will sear it eventually. And it turns out really good. Look at all that stuff. Put a good flavor in it. Papa approved. Alright. The parts you will see is as I circle them and sear them back and forth. Slow and sear. Got the first sear done. We're going to cook it some slow here. We're going to sear it again. Eventually, after it starts embedding on the top part, we will sear the top, and it gives it awesome, awesome stuff. I'm going to do a little sear on it. Them things are thick. We're not turning them yet. We're not turning them. This will sear eventually, but right now, if you notice what it's doing, it's embedding in there. See? Alright. Yeah, pretty good sized steaks. Look at that, it's starting to fall apart. Get that side. You notice I flipped them that way. I'm going to put them back over there. It's good enough for me. Alright, let's check this out. Okay, the steaks are sitting at a 110. You know, sear going on there a little bit. It's a chunk of meat, I tell you that. Alright, we're getting close to, you want to see the bottom of that? That's beautiful. Beautiful. I don't want to lift this one, but you can see all the goodness that Sal put in that. Looks really good. Let's get the other side. We'll probably flip them here and let it sear that in there. But see, it's in, if you can see that, it's embedding into there. It's like awesomeness. Alright, let it go for a little bit longer. Alright, at this point, we are going to, it's stuck on there really good, it looks like. We're going to do a, I should add more charcoal. Alright. A little sear on there. I know that's going to look good. Put that, seared it in there. And now put this one. The initial letting it sit on top, it kind of bakes into it, and when you do finally sear that, it doesn't fall off. It says, Papa, why do you offset cook a lot? Because it's more juicier and tender. Them babies look awesome. Look at that. Look at that one. I wonder which one Gigi's gonna pick. Yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, the outside is gonna be cooked more than the inside. Let's see if I overcooked it. No, there's nothing wrong with that. See the searing? If you can see that, it's redder on this end than that end because I seared more on the bottom part. Look at that. So there's my plate. That is big. Check that out. Oh, you can't see it with the light. That's really awesome. Mmm. It's really good. Sal sent this to me a year ago. I've been so busy with someone else. I've been holding up on this. I just decided to cook with it. And that is really good flavor. It's papatexas approved. It's Gigi approved. Yeah, she's going to eat half that steak tonight and the other half when she goes to work tomorrow. We still go to work. Mmm. Oh my. You know, it'd be really cool. Put in the comments. You tell me, you make a video for the 3 winners. Might help you win if you say, I tell you what, Papa, I'm going to use that on one of the, I got the hiccups, on one of the cooks. And I'm going to do the low and sear papatexas style. Yeah. Excuse me, let me know how it turns out. That's what I got. I appreciate it, Sal, the Root Boy Cooks. I need to scare myself. I need to get off of here. It's Papa. Papatexas. Papa's Kitchen. Big W made me that. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get my salad and my taters and garlic olive oil all over. It's sea salt all over them taters. Y'all have a great week. Stay safe. Don't overuse your toilet paper. That didn't come out right. Alright. Appreciate it, so. We will see y'all later. I see ya. Man. I had to come back and say this. That was awesome. You've got, you know, Root Boy Cooks. Sal, this is really good on those ribeyes. Yes, it is. But I'm gonna tell you what. Whatever you use, try searing it and cooking it my way, papatexas way. Let me know what you think, because it is awesome. If you're not subscribed to papatexas, get down there and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell, and I know it'll notify you when I put a video out. Yeah, for another entertaining video. Especially if you're cooped up in the house and can't leave. Yeah, it's Papa Texas. This is Papa's Kitchen. Thanks, Al. See ya.